Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at AI Mirror. In order to do so, here we are at the App Store and we're also at the Google Play Store. So if you're interested in taking advantage of AI Mirror, you can find them on either device. What is it all about? Well, you can revolutionize your images with AI. You can create Christmas photos, restore old photos, become your favorite anime characters, create viral videos, create AI kiss videos, all sorts of fun stuff. And AI Polaroid trends, etc., etc. There's a lot here to play with. If you're interested, head over to the App Store, head over to the Google Play Store, and you can get started there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. If you click on the link in the link tree, you'll get 60% off your first month subscription to help you get started. And also check out our YouTube playlist that's all about Cintra. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I'd personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.